What is data engineering and why is it important?
Data engineering involves designing, building, and managing systems that collect, store, and analyze large-scale data. It is essential for ensuring data is reliable, accessible, and structured for analytical or machine learning purposes, supporting decision-making and business insights. Data engineering is the backbone of any data-driven enterprise. With massive amounts of data being generated every day, businesses rely on skilled data engineers to build, manage, and optimize data infrastructure. Introducing the GoLogica Data Engineering Master Program, an all-inclusive course designed to help you master the art and science of building reliable, scalable data systems. From data collection to transformation and storage and analytics, this program covers it all. You'll gain practical experience in designing and implementing data pipelines that turn raw data into valuable business insights. Our program gives you the in-demand skills required in today's job market. Our structured curriculum will guide you step by step through the complexities of data engineering. Here's what you'll learn. In today's digital world, data engineers are the architects behind the systems that power machine learning, AI, and analytics. From building data lakes in cloud environments to developing real-time data processing applications, you'll work on real-world projects that will prepare you for the challenges of this dynamic industry. Data engineers are in high demand across industries like tech, finance, healthcare, and e-commerce. Top companies like Google, Amazon, and Facebook are always on the lookout for skilled data engineers to manage their vast data needs. Data engineers earn an average salary of $110,000 to $150,000 per year, making it one of the most lucrative and sought-after professions. Are you ready to kickstart your career in data engineering and shape the future of data-driven businesses? Enroll today in the GoLogica Data Engineering Master Program and transform your career.